Remember late nights cruising and wasn't nothing to it. Licking up the shit, we bout to make a movie. Pouring up a cup, we bout to set the mood in the cup, rolling up, smoking something groovy. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. Got somebody that you loving well, oh well. Faking innocence and I won't tell. Little bit of ghetto and a little bit of bougie. Ain't afraid to get this in a motel. Love calling my name, love playing my games. You ain't got no shame, but am I part the plan? I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. Girl, you cold-hearted. Revelations that I had, girl, you so scarlet. I be tucking down on your garments while your man back at home rolling red carpets. But I'ma send it too. Think about the pressure I'ma get to you. Ain't no lies told with me in the nude. Leave me one more like a motherfucking interlude. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying.
guys. Morning, guys. Morning, morning, morning. 9:30. Let's go. Right, morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Sort out this couple of things here quickly. Okay, MFX members, you in? Good morning, morning, morning. What's up, guys? Mark Pillay, good morning, brother. I'm good. I hope you are good too. Martian Manifest, good morning, my G. Hope you are doing good today. Let's get these charts out and get our plan ready for gold for today. Guys, we've got some major news coming out today. We'll chat about it now. Let's get these charts ready for you guys. Okay, then just one more thing. Okay, I just want to change a couple things here, guys, on trades taken, etc, etc. Let me just sort it out quickly. But I hope everybody's doing good. We'll start with the market breakdowns shortly. Sorted. I'll just check if the sound is coming through correctly. I think on YouTube it's fine. I noticed yesterday, because I had the fan on, it gave a bit of a wind noise. But it's just so hot, guys, honestly. So I think I need it. Yeah, guys, if you hear some wind noise, please let me know. It's just so damn hot. It's sounding funny, guys. Morning, meneer, morning. Jordan, good morning, brother. Won't be trading. Yeah, for sure. I see you sticking to that routine. Well done. RJ, that's Ricky. I'm sure by now. Daylight savings kicked in. Yeah, for NY, daylight savings has kicked in. However, for London session, we're only kicking in, I think, the final weekend of March. So we're still fine on that side. Guys, let's get into these charts. Let's see what's happening and let's look at what we're about to do today. I think let's first go through gold. But actually, before I do that, can we just have a look at the news front for today? So we have major news for the rest of the week, guys, but as you guys know, I'm not a fundamental trader, so I don't really let that what can I say, I don't really take it to throw off my trade. I'll just take it into consideration. Sorry, I got distracted at Jordan, bro. Guys, I'm on another group with got clapped on GJ News. Oh, your first mistake is being on more than one group, my chum. That's your first mistake. But yeah, so CPI today at 2:30. Obviously, with the daylight savings time shift, it's going to be early today, not 2:30, it's not 2:30. So CPI news coming out then. We've had pound news come out already, so that's done and passed. I'm not really phased about that as my session only starts at 9:30. So we'll look to see what it actually has done when we do our analysis today on GJ. But let's go ahead and start with gold. Now obviously we're in a range, we're in that same range as yesterday, so let's have a look as to what we can do and what I will do. Okay, so looking at this current daily, we are now breaking lower lows, and you know, for me it's not really a sign that we're going to reverse, because we're in an area that it's at support. So even if it's breaking the lows in the daily, it's not really telling me that it's going to go down yet, to be very honest with you. And that's something we need to note. Just because now we're starting to lose the momentum doesn't mean we're going to turn. There's two factors that come into play here, and you need to understand this. Technicals will set the levels, whereas fundamentals will drive the price, right? So if there's a news release coming out, number one, as well as price holding in consolidation, it's fine if we start breaking highs and lows without closing above or below them, because of those two reasons. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and mark in the current daily high as well as the current daily low, just so I can use that as some sort of reference to say that if I close outside of these areas, I can then look for positions outside or before that, whatever the case may be. So that is something I want you guys to understand today. We have news at 2:30, and at the same time we're in consolidation. So just because we're losing momentum does not mean we're going to turn. So I know a lot of people are going to try and do that maneuver. Don't be caught out. Just don't be caught out. Okay, so we are clearly seeing a lot of consolidation within this level. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark in my 4-hour lows as well as my 4-hour highs, which I've now formed, which is now essentially going to be the current range. So it's this. And then a question I had yesterday was, when do I consider the longer wicks? So in this case, I focus on the area that has the most rejection, and I use that, and I'd rather use the wicks on the left hand side if I'm going to trade outside of that area for a wick fill. That's what I would then be doing. Okay, so let's go ahead and color these doikies, get these blocks in how our 4 hours should look. And to be honest with you guys, I don't need to add in another area right now. Look, I can add in this zone here, but this will just be a 4-hour target if I sell off, and for the highs it's just going to be these wicks. So that wick first, and that wick in the what you call it, I'll use that quarter pump as a target. Hourly. Yeah boys, we're just in consolidation. You see, now I come to my lower time frame, I'm starting to see that there's this zone. So this is what I'm going to show you guys now. So as I mentioned, that 4-hour, I highlight the zone that is most important, and then I'll leave out the wicks because I can use that if it's far enough as a wick fill. In this case, a close above here won't yield enough for me to want to take it. So what I'll do is I will highlight that. Now there's two things I have to understand here. It's not the wick that I'm going to be trading into. There's a body right there, which means the body can act as an area of resistance as well, which is 7 pips away. So for me, I'm going to highlight it like that, and I'm going to want a close above the level to then target this wick over there, as well as that body and the wick over there. So that's things I take into consideration. Where does the body lie? Where does the wicks lie? And that will then essentially tell me what I can then do with it, right? So in the 30 minutes, we're gonna move our zone there on. Yeah, I think I'll leave this like that as well. That's pretty, it's fine. This I'm just gonna note as current daily low, so I know that is that, and then current daily high. I just want to use this as a reference, so if I do take positions either, you know, outside the zone, I can then use it as a confluence. Okay, I just want to see one thing. If we look at this 30-minute and I break it down even a bit more deeper, I can understand that there is a micro liquidity zone over there. So I'm just going to highlight that because I want to show you something quickly. And this is how I'll be able to do a counter position if I'm going to trade the range. Now, if I'm going to trade the range, guys, it's going to be easier for me to buy than it is to sell because my overall direction is bullish. Simple. Okay, so what I need to understand is prior to price breaking these lows, we were ranging from there to there. Our shorts yesterday on gold, I think it was from there to there. That's our shorts, right? Using the resistance to come down. So a pure consolidation trade. Now, I can't buy off of there. Why? There was a micro resistance or support over there. Now it's turned as a resistance, which means price can tap that level and then start to drop. Okay, now how and when is it possible for me to buy? You'll then see on the 15 and the 5 you have a micro bearish structure printing lower lows and lower highs within it, right? When is it going to be a safe time to buy? The safe time to buy will be if I can identify that as a liquidity grab, not a fake out. A liquidity grab, don't get them confused. Price to close above, retest, hold support. Then what I'm going to essentially do is I'm going to trade from this low to that high. So I'll mimic that, this low to that high today. Now I understand it's CPI and all that stuff, but like I said, I'm not fazed by that. I understand it's going to happen. When it happens or near to that, I'll understand that, okay, I need to be cautious now. But whilst I am, how many hours? 7 hours, whatever the number is, 7 hours or 6 hours away from the actual news release, why do I need to be fazed? Okay, I do understand there might not be a major move, but surely I can range trade it. Okay, which means that if I'm going to be popping up back here, I'm going to wait for that support and I'm going to look to long the position to my current daily high. Does that make sense? So that's going to be the play on my gold trade today. If we do start to reject there, come down and break the current daily low, then I'll be comfortable with shorting down to these lows, because then in alignment with that, I then have the 4 hour breaking previous 4 hour low, continuing that, and the daily also continuing this bearish move that has happened this morning. So those are the considerations that I'll take into when I look for shorts. Now I do understand it is not the cleanest area, but so is the buys. Just like yesterday, we had to trade, not I had to, but I traded in an area that wasn't a LTA, but I was fine with it because I had my overall confluences which had higher probability than being too phased about an area. Now obviously areas are important, but if I'm range trading, that's not really that much of an issue because all I'm doing is trading the range. So that would be the play today. So for me, it's going to be aggressive shorts here at that point. Where's my 30 flip bearish, boys? Yeah, 30 only flips bearish there. Crazy, right? 4 hour only flips bearish there. Gee whiz. Okay, so it's gonna be a pure price action day for me. Pure price action. So here we've got aggressive short positions. That's a possibility over there. We know the confluences we need for that. And then here we've got aggressive long positions. Both is going to be aggressive because of the areas that we are in. So whichever trade I take today is going to be aggressive. Okay, aggressive shorts, aggressive buys. For my long position, I need price to close above the area, right? Hold and form a support here. So I don't really want to do a type 4 on this. I'm gonna do a type 3. Okay, I need price to hold position, and then we look for the move. That will be the easiest play. And the nearest area of rejection is 14 pips away. By that time I feel break even. Okay, this is going to be the play and how I'm going to get in on the long position. On the short position, it's going to be something like that. The retest and the drive. Obviously on my lower time frames, I need some sort of support resistance, and yeah, then I can pretty much just trade it off of that. And it's that simple for me to get today, guys. It's not rocket science. There's nothing crazy I need to do. People's gonna hate when I say that, but yes, CPI is important, but it's not a big deal right now. It's not a big deal. You need to focus on the trade right now. Don't worry about CPI happening at 2:30. That's 2:30's time. Focus on the markets in front of you right now. Yes, we can understand that it can consolidate because of CPI, but why would that prevent me from taking a trade if I can see the setup right there? We're technical traders. We are not fundamental traders. Okay, so that's my analysis on gold. Let's have a look at GJ. If you don't understand anything, just drop something in the comment and I will see how I can run it back to you. Now let's have a look at GBP JPY. Let's first go have a look at that weekly, guys. So just like yesterday, we are still sitting within that area there. Okay, still sitting within the area, which means that I can possibly bounce off of the area or break as I reach my lows. So what I'm gonna do is understand that we need to mark previous daily low, because if I'm going to be breaking current daily low and previous daily low, I should then sink to the downside. Previous daily low, and I think I'll also mark in current daily high, because if we've not broken the low, which we haven't, and we come to break highs again and break yesterday's high, we should then continue with price to the upside. Yeah, so current daily high. So change that color. Okay. Now looking where price is right now, guys, like I said on the weekly, we are still within this area, so I need to be cautious here, right? I don't just want to jump onto anything because I see a quick move or whatever. I need to be cautious and plan this out properly. Going to my 4 hour, I need to mark in current supply and demand areas, which it seems like we're actually in that same range on the 12th of Feb. So that high to that low is that high to that low. So I'm going to mark out my current significant low like that, as well as my current significant high over there. So let me just get this in the right colors as well. Okay, so I've got that. Now I just want to pan to the left to see what was the areas that was the biggest issues, and it was actually this level here. It was this level. So this is a simple play. The break of yesterday's low is going to initiate some short positions down to QP for me. That's going to be the first play. I can't really see the buys yet, so let me go to my lower time frame. Now on this lower time frame, it seems like we have broken out of this micro downtrend, so we have to tweak that zone like that. That zone there is fine. I'm going to slot in another area over here, which is equal low, equal low, equal high. So like that. It's going to make it okay, because my 30-minute at the moment is bullish. So we have price descending like this, making lower lows and lower highs. Can you see that? There's my highs. This is how it just broke out. We should retest either that level or that level and then start to drive up. Okay, so let us see how we're going to tackle this one. Then obviously if it comes below here, we look for shorts. It's simple. But at the moment, every time it makes lows is not the time to buy, is not the time to sell. It's more so time to look for type 3 reversals. 4 hour is still bearish, however, so let me just go and change that to the 30-minute being bullish. This could be the initiating start of price actually flipping and starting to drive back up. So the news was obviously more so indecision because we had 1 for and 1 against, so I'm not even phased about news. Guys, you'll see I look at the time of news releases and I'm aware of what's happening at the time, but I don't let news throw my trade off. I'm a pure technical price action trader, so really not phased about that. Just want to mark in one more level, not to trade off of, but use it as a point of reference if price does dip deeper. So right off the bat, I am going to look for type 3s here, as well as type 3s here. So as you can see, every area of resistance that it makes now, which is that is the first one. If price dips a bit more, that would be the second one, and every time it gets above the level, I look to buy. Simple price action. So at the moment on GJ, guys, I have to wait for price to get exhausted. So at the moment we have this drive, we're waiting for the pullback to start getting momentum to the upside. Once it starts doing that, I can look for long positions. At the moment, I do not have a trade ready, and I won't have until I start rejecting either this area or that area, or even this area. We could still bounce off here as well, so I could buy off area 1, area 2, or area 3. I'm not selling GJ today. I just look, I can see where I could sell, but I won't, because it's changed direction already. So I'm rather gonna let my sells only happen below the lows. I'll rather wait for retest and look for buy positions, in opposed to having the counter so early. So that would be the idea on GJ. The idea on GJ is to buy at the retest levels, not as it touches the area, but more so as I get a type 3 confirmation. Very important. I don't buy because it's testing an area. There's no guarantee of that. You wait for your confluences to line up, and as you start seeing bullish momentum, then you can get involved. So yeah, that's it for me on GJ. Quite straightforward. That's it for me on gold. Quite straightforward. If you understand my analysis, just drop some W's in the chat so I know that you are good. MFX members, are we good? We understand exactly what's cutting here. Cool, 100%. A shot, guys. W. Okay, 100%, boys. So we know what we're doing. We're obviously just going to sit tight and wait until those areas come to play. Let's have another lacquer day like yesterday. Yesterday we got a nice 20 pip move on gold, which is very nice. Yeah, so let's see how things go today. Any questions, do let me know. Just a reminder, guys, seeing that I have a number of viewers here on Friday 3 p.m. for MFX members only. We're doing a boot camp on entry types. If you want to be part of that group, that boot camp, all you have to do is sign up to the mentorship group before Friday, and you'll get free access to that boot camp. It's not to be missed. It's really not to be missed. And then, yeah, just drop a like on the stream if you enjoy what you see, and then subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Okay, let's see what's in store today. I think I'll just put an alert on GJ so I know if it starts rejecting one of these areas. Because at the moment, obviously, it could melt all the way down to this liquidity level here, so it's no point in me trying to counter anything right now, and I don't want the shorts either. This just makes it easier for me to buy with every resistance it makes. So then I get something like this where I get a 5-minute consolidation box here. We start trading above this level. On the 15, it's going to look something like this, where I engulf that previous resistance. I can then look for long positions back up to the highs. That would be the play there if I had to take gold GJ buys at the moment. And then obviously the same thing. If it drops down here, I look for the same thing. I look for the resistance. I look to counter that. I'm just not interested in shorts at the moment, just because we've changed direction. Can gold start trading above 2178? If we can do that, we're more than likely to have long positions.
I came with. Ay. Always going up, we don't know down. See you got a new truck, oh you want now. Really, I ain't trying to throw no shade.
We do obviously a type 2, like here's literally a setup right now. The break of these highs, take the longs. It's just that I need to understand that where prices come from, it's only going to be closing above there again. So you have that level, you have price tapping in to grab liquidity. You don't just want to take the long position just in case it holds this micro downtrend that it's having. So just to be cautious and stick to plan, we have to wait for price to trade above the level. Once it trades above the level, that's nice, because then you have that area of support already formed on that lower time frame. Look at the 5. So I've got area there, I've got area there, and area there. So when I look for long position, I've got these areas as possible management points, and my stop will be at QP for 30. Then I run it up and I target 73 pips. I do the whole range, with TP1 being the immediate high right now, which is going to be 13 pips. TP2 will be that liquidity zone for 32. TP3 will be for 50 pips. Final TP for 71. So that will be the idea there. I really like this gold setup. I really like it. I know it is in consolidation, but we have 4 minutes to London open. If we can get price to start closing above that, we should be good to start pushing after a retest, that is. We're gonna have to wait obviously for a retest, guys. I didn't even read this, sorry. Just thought I'll try this. Nah, I think the best thing you can do for yourself, George, is just get rid of it. You don't need any of that. I personally feel like if you follow too many traders and you follow too many different people, you're never gonna find yourself. That's why I have to stick with one company or dude or whatever that does the right thing, and you'll be good. Because I was also like that. I had all that the people that give you free Telegram groups. Sure, bro. When I started trading, I was in a lot of those. That just messed with my psychology, because you see different things from different people the whole time. So sometimes you have to be isolated. Still speeches from yesterday's session, bro. I'm glad. Yeah, bro, just gotta level up every time. Did you guys check yesterday's IG reel? Two minutes, well, a minute. I want to see if it closes above here. Let's see if it closes above. Because even if it does start to trade, it's still within that micro 5, you know. But we're obviously using that high time frame to predict the move. I couldn't see for like 30 minutes. As soon as I closed my eyes, I was just thinking about everything and my plan forward with the new nugget, new golden nugget, for sure. Yeah, dude, trade management. Something else. That's a key component within your trading. Just knowing how to manage your positions, wins or losses, and that's what you got to focus on. It's so much easier on yourself to get your trades correct. Not correct, but it's so easy to get your account to compound the correct way if you just know how to trade manage. Okay, so we got that 10 o'clock close, guys, but we didn't get a closure above. We're still within consolidation within that area. So at the moment, nothing. GJ, still nothing. Move that a bit lower. You see, I'm gonna have to like wait. I have to wait another 15 minutes for this to also close above. We are starting to make high highs and high lows within candlesticks. I just need price to close above, guys. I can't take a trade within liquidity. It needs to get out of liquidity, and if it means I miss the move, then it's okay. Then it's okay. That's for sure my key, bro. I've never had it. It's always been enter, set TP and stop loss, then let the market play out. Bro, it's in bad. Yeah, for sure. Not anymore, man. Lance Mentor, well, welcome, brother. I'm not on social media, so I follow you on my wife's Instagram. Lekker. Let me play it for you. That people that's not on IG, let me play that clip for you quickly. I did send it to the MFX group. That's alright. Oh, see. Yeah, while we're waiting, we play it for you. Why don't it move? There you go. Hope you guys can hear it. Can you guys hear it? Oh, and that's GJ. Okay. Okay, we are rejecting these areas. Still nothing we can do yet, though. But we know exactly what we're doing. It's so simple. Why? So that's big, boys. That's big, because whatever happens outside the charts, you'll see what happen inside the charts. And I speak about this all the time. So if you are fearful in the markets, if you are second guessing yourself in the markets, try and think of what is causing that outside of the markets, and then inside the markets will be easier. Can you guys hear wind noise on the mic? Just let me know, because I was watching yesterday's video and I heard wind noise, but that's because the fan was on. But it's freak hot. It's really hot. Negative, good. GJ. No bottom wick, rip up. Okay, so this area here is where I want to look for longs above. This 15-minute area, I want to look for longs. But I need this candle to actually close above here. I can't just buy because it's going up. There's no bottom wick on this 15 as well as the 30. Yeah, GG, I'm gonna have to really wait. So it's a waiting game today, boys. He's phoning me now. How are you guys finding C-Trader? Is anybody using C-Trader?
It's so much better than DX Trader.
Much better, dude. I love it. On PC, I think I like it more than MetaTrader on PC. It's just on the phone. Obviously, MetaTrader is boss, but I think on PC is, I don't know, it's just so much better. It's so much more user friendly as well.
I find it very similar to
I actually never used them. QBanks' platform.
yeah.
Do you still?
Same issue when they started. There was a lot of issues with it, but over time they've sorted it out.
Yeah.
So it works beautifully as well.
Did you have to get your accounts migrated on the FunderTrader?
Yeah, I went from the MT4. They first switched me to DX. I tried that for one trade, and then I was like, nope, switch.
Yeah. Yeah, no, DX. I don't know why they even brought that up.
I think it was just too many people using it for such a small platform.
Hmm.
Same thing happened when Top Gear started the trade locker. They had pretty much the same issues. And then over maybe 3-4 months they sorted that all out. So I'm sure DX will improve, but very, very hard to trade with them.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't even waste my time. I think C-Trader just has it going for them. Sam the man remind me a bit of Binance. Yeah, it has that sort of vibe to it. It definitely has that sort of vibe to it, yeah. Guys, can we just get those likes up on YouTube? Let's go ahead and like the stream. I would love for gold to close above you. But yeah, we're just stuck in this consolidation.
Isn't it a bit slow because of CPI?
Yeah, for sure. But I still think we're in a range. So I'm gonna look to trade this whole range. And I think MFX members, we might come back for New York session for CPI. Guys, I think I'm just gonna answer some of these Instagram questions that I got last week. How do I find fib levels? Guys, I don't use Fibonacci, that's the first one. What did this dude say? Your YouTube. What's wrong with YouTube? Is it not coming through or what? I think I can answer this one. What is supply and demand? I'll answer that now. I've seen some messages go through and others don't. Maybe it's Desi94 blocking you. Must speak to the mods there. Okay guys, we're starting to break these levels now. We might get a 15 close above, and if we start getting a 15 close above, I'm looking for long positions. I don't know if it is him. I don't know if it is him. A minute. Let's see. Can we close above on that 15, boys? 15 close above. I don't really need price to stall it because it's been stalling there, right? So 15 close above, the pullback, the tap back in, I'll take it on the flip. Let's see, can we close above? That's the thing. Because I need to see it holding a floor so we can start driving off with it. And I don't think we got that close, no? Yeah, we didn't get that close above, boys. Very close, but no close above. So no trade yet. And what I can show you now is even if we miss this initial phase, we can still get a phase 2 up here. So let's just be patient, guys. You just like yesterday, we were very patient and we got beautiful positions. So it's just how you gotta do it, man. Man's an overdrive in the back end. Yeah, no, he's up it. He's up it. Bro, I get so excited when you say you don't use indicators, fibs, etc. These other traders make it so complicated, yo. The best thing I can tell you now is that an indicator follows the market. And that's all I need to say. An indicator follows the market. Which means that by the time you get that indication from the indicator, it's late. It's late for you, bro. And I don't care who says what, bro. Indicators, nah. It's you don't need an indicator. And you guys can see it live in my trades every day. You don't need that shit. The indicator I firmly use like a taxi driver in South Africa. Indicates left, market goes right. Or when it happens, it's too late. So indicators, no matter what closes and all that shit you want to put on it to make it work a certain way, fuck that. It don't work, maybe though. It don't work. Fibs, look, fibs is fine. I used to use fibs, but I don't need fibs anymore. Because fibs is also just telling you levels. So I don't need fibs anymore. So I'm nothing against fibs, but I don't need it. If I can do price action, market structure, and supply and demand, I don't need anything more on my chart. I don't need indicators, I don't need Bollinger Bands, all that twak. I don't need none of that, boys. I need my brain. Now my brain is limitless. My brain will tell me. How does Darren say? Darren says I must use my EYES, my eyes. That's the best indicator. Nettie, that will tell me where the market's going, not an indicator. It's a lack of way to sell something, especially for new traders. New trader comes to the market. Let's do something. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do SMA. Okay, so this is a new trader coming to the chart, right? Fucking throw smart when he cuck on you also. Oh, this is that. Wait. I'll do this. Oh, I can only have 2? Okay, we can't. Let's get rid of the ADX. Okay, I just want to get something that's on the chart. So we got fucking RSIs here, and we got SMA. Let's do a SMA. Or MA, whatever. Now you've got this tiki toli on your chart, and this apparently is supposed to tell you where price is going. It's not going to budge. It will look nice afterwards. Yeah, guys, you see, you should have bought off there. When it touched that line, you should have done that. No, nigga. You shouldn't have done that. You should have just focused on price action. So, indicators. And sorry if I'm offending anybody. I really don't care. They just don't work. And same goes for nah, people's gonna start crying if I say that. Bro, it gets what's it? Clean the chart, clean the stuff for sure. You don't need it, bro. You don't need it. I've never used indicators even even in the car. Then you must be a BMW driver. Definitely BMW, yeah, for sure. But yeah, guys, I just don't use that stuff. And if it works for you and it works for you, cool, bro. That's all you, man. But they just don't work. But if you enjoy putting lots of stuff on your charts and you think that makes you money, for sure, But just try to eliminate it and you'll see. If you are that good of a trader, you can do it without it. But I firmly feel like, especially for a new trader, you're not watching many people, right? This one uses Bollinger Bands, this one uses SMAs, and you think that that indicator is going to help you get better in your trading. That's not. Almost at 150 subs. Yes, guys. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, drop a like on the stream. We're gonna be here for a while. And if you wanna level up your trading, you know the drill. Join the Patreon, join the mentorship. Let's take you to the next level. We've got guys from the YouTube that joined already, and they're already seeing huge change in a week. Polo drive and traffic lights after 6 p.m. is just a suggestion. Easy 150 by the end of the week. I'm a subscriber on my lady's phone and my mother's phone for sure. Let them watch as well, bro. Actually, I haven't even like thought of that. Like, just get people's moms to subscribe and dads to subscribe and moms, aunties, uncles, you name it. If I can get hold of someone's phone, I'm a subscriber. For sure, man. For sure. 2 smoke, folks. I don't think I'm gonna come cycle today, bro. The weather is not, it's not the one. It's not the one today. Forgot to message you yesterday. Yep, not today. Yeah, for sure. I think, what did you say, the cost is like 25 or something? knots. No, I'm fine, thanks. Look, the fires is starting here by me again, brother. If I look outside the window, it's grey outside. Fires is up again. Jeez, 46 k's today. Nah, I'm good. That's not cycling, that's torture. Goodwin win on your back. I don't trust that. I don't trust that. Look what happened on Saturday. We thought it would be behind us and then it was against us. I'm fine, thanks. Even on a downhill, you feel like you're going uphill because of the wind.
Miles, you guys only cycling off-road and on-road, or just on the road most of the time?
Off-road and on-road. Saturday we did on-road and then we rode off-road by Norm Highland.
And you guys did off-road on Saturday?
No, we did off-road on Saturday by Norm Highland. And then on-road we did what's that? Butterfield, Krakama, at the back there. Like Cape Road down, like that, to the back close to Greenbushes, that area there, and then coming back.
Up paper basically.
Yeah. And then yeah, then pretty much back. Is that all we did? I felt like we rode so much further.
Just 40.
Yeah. Oh no, we went to Dewey's house, that's why. That's why. Felt like we went the opposite way. Man, you Paul, are you just you just road cycling, eh?
Yeah, just road cycling now. I wanna get the off-road bike, so I am looking for one. I've been looking for one for a while now.
Yeah, then you must come join us. Slacker. Okay, bit of low volume here, gents. Might just sit for CPI. So we're not going to force anything this morning. If we don't get a trade, we don't get a trade. Let me click clear this trades taken quickly. Where's something wrong today? Did nothing go wrong today? Why am I not seeing that name in the chat? Something wrong. What is the other Asian brother joined last week? Atu Singh or something like that. Something one got deported. There's nothing going on, man. $30 close in 2 minutes. Let's see. Guys, I think if I take position on any trade on gold today, I'm just going to go with less risk, okay? Not because I'm fearful, but just because we have low volume. Today feels like a Monday. I wish today felt like a Monday, because yesterday we slaughtered the charts. So I would love today to feel like that. All we need is the 30 close above her. But it doesn't seem like she has volume. Seconds. Got such a, like, if we can close above and start driving, the setup is gorgeous. You've got a beautiful support area there if we start getting closures above for trade management. I like that a lot. I love it a lot. That's if she You know, it'd be also nice if this candle closed indecision and the next candle then started to drive. I can then take it on an impulse. Or if it closed bearish. Is it closed bearish? No, not yet. The 15 is bearish, but I don't think that's enough for me. Yeah, it's just not enough, man. Candles are still printing higher high and higher low, so we still have that direction. And GJ is tanking. You know, like I said, these levels that it comes to, it's not short levels, it's reject. It's to see if I can reject off of those levels. That's what I want to see with it. Guys, I'm just going to run to the men's room. Okay, I'm back, boys. What is Goldilocks doing? Okay, still in liquidity, boys. So, yeah, nothing for me yet. Nothing for me yet. We're just pretty much consolidating. So you have, if you micro look at it, you got that resistance there. You have price trading above for retest to start driving. However, if it does start trading below the level, it should then tap down to QP. And then if we can break quarter pip, I'll look for shorts over there. I won't look for the phase one right now because there's no direction yet. It's choppy, it's consolidating, you can do anything. RJ in on gold sells. Where'd you enter? Okay, all the best, brother. For your part, how she smacks to the lows. 2177.59. 2177.59. Okay, so somewhere up there. So you're in profit. And where's your stops in TP? Well, you would have got 10 already. And GJ, what is GJ doing? Just testing that level. Nothing yet. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for these buys, boys. On my other YouTube account now, I had to come and drop another like, so I'm gonna just stay on this account. Yo, you a supporter, bro, true supporter. So I follow with that account as I follow, subscribe with that account as well. Nah, guys, Jordan, he's a true supporter. This guy's a true supporter, man. So essentially, I don't think, how much subs we have? I don't think we have 140 subs. I just think it's Jordan with 140 accounts. He just created 140 accounts and just subbed on all of them. Now that is support. Guys, like and subscribe for sure. You guys know the drill. Pull up and leave a like and subscribe. Don't be shy, yeah, don't be shy, guys. Come on, Goldilocks, can you break these highs and give us a trade, please? Yo, I didn't want to say anything, but boss. Vans J06, so let me do that too. Great idea, Jordan. What? You guys are mal. Maar dankie vir die support, man. Ek waardeer dit baie. Guys, my friend's initials is SVJ. Which means that he can't go through life without having a SVJ, right? So, tell him he needs to get one. I was like, I'm not gonna go get that now. That is correcto. Yeah. You know, if Jesus is gonna start closing below here. No, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna sell Jesus today, guys. My initials have RS in them, and I dream about the RS3 sedan every night. Put it in the ground, brother. You'll get it. You'll get it, my man. Just stay positive, stay focused. You'll get it. GJ. Guys, I see some possible GJ shorts coming in. I just don't think I'm going to act on it because of the zone on the left hand side, as well as I don't have a nearby resistance. Okay. So, I do see the possible GJ shorts coming in. However, I'm gonna let it go. I'll rather take gold buys when they happen. 100%, bro. I already have an Audi service book bag in my courses, so in motion for sure, bro. It's a start, it's manifestation. Power lies within the tongue, so you gotta manifest it every day, my man. Start with the service book, then we start with the lug nuts. Then we get it. And the t-shirt, don't forget the t-shirts. The t-shirts. And for the guys that want BMWs, don't forget the Puma Tech with the BMW logo on. That's the way, that's prime. Puma Tech with the BM logo on. My lady found it for me when I started trading, and she gave it to me for one day when I get home, for sure. That's it, bro. Those Pumas are vomit material. I had that techie and the Kudia ones. Hectic. Why can I can picture you wearing it though. I think I've seen you in it. Wait, I think I've seen you in it. I think so. Back in the Corsa days, I think so. I can definitely see it in my head. Back when you the Puma Tech and one earring in one ear. Wiki Gaming, greetings. I am new with those crypto programs. I still trying to learn this Forex. Like and subscribe and stay on the stream, and then you'll learn a lot. Out of curiosity, how did you find the page? Is it just like through the YouTube algo, or? I'm very curious how we start picking up viewers. That's what's nice of YouTube, like afterwards you can see your analytics. You just found it through YouTube. That's dope. Awesome. Go onto my page and you can watch my previous live streams as well. Don't lie, Jordan. don't do that. Yeah, so Wiki Game, you can just go watch our previous YouTube streams. You should get a lot of information out of that. And if you really want to take it seriously, in my description you can sign up to our mentorship group. Because you can only get that much out of YouTube. You can get a lot, but only that much. So find a community and what? Sadly, I am from South Africa, so some trading don't allow PayPal withdrawal. Yo, my man, I don't know what you are doing, because I'm also from South Africa and I'm withdrawing through PayPal left, right and center, boss. So maybe you're just doing it the wrong way. So yeah, I would yeah, go watch the previous lives, and if you want to take your trading serious, you can just sign up. But regarding trading through PayPal, it is allowed. I've been doing it for how many years now? PayPal for me is actually the easiest way. Nice. For sure, man, for sure. Found you on Tuesday's YouTube. For sure, he needs an FNB account. Yeah. Yeah, that'll definitely work. I use FNB. Oh, I should probably not say that for the hackers out there. Actually I use African Bank. Yeah, but for sure PayPal linkage to FNB is the easiest, boys. I think many of us came from 2Gs to 1G. From 2 grams to 1 gram. I use Time Bank super secure. I see we're on the jokes cards today. I feel like on YouTube you must be so careful what you say because Owens will hack you left, right and center. Goldilocks? Where are you going, my girl? You will make my life more easy regarding what? Your name, are you a gamer or what? How do I? Oh my days. Guys, we just hit 150 subscribers. What a blessing. Thanks, guys. Jeez, 150. That's mad. I'm gonna do a huge ass giveaway once we hit 500, that's for sure. Then another big ass giveaway we do 1,000. I also learned quotics, but they work through Binance trading. What the hell is that? What is that? I don't know what that is, brother. Quotics? I don't know. GJ. Obviously moves is happening, guys, but it's not my setup. It's not my type of setup. That's what I'm taking it. What is quotics? But they work through Binance trading. What is that? It's time for a new playlist, eh? Same like this, you click buy if price goes up or what? Same like this, you click buy if price go up or sell if price go down. Moment you're wrong, you lose the money. Sure. Then I have to answer that. Wiki Gaming. Go. Let me tell you what to do for free. I won't even go here. Go baby pips.com. Go here. Okay, it's for free. Then you go to learn Forex. Nah? Go to learn Forex, and then you do this free stuff. It's gonna give you insight as to what Forex is for free. Then after you go through that, then go to the YouTube channel you're on right now, which is my YouTube channel. Then go watch my videos for free. Live trading for free. And if you like what you see, then sign up to my group. Then we'll teach you how to trade properly. But just go get an idea as to what trading is for free at babypips.com. Just go get an idea there. I don't know, that Quotex goed wat jy doen, I don't think you should do that, my man. Well, obviously you do what you do, but yeah, just so you can get more insight as to what's going on in the markets. Like it's not as simple as as buy if price goes up, sell if price goes down. It's more than that, my man. So I would say go to Baby Pips, just go read what trading is, and then yeah. Awesome, thanks. I'll give shout out for you so that your channel will grow for sure, man. For sure, for sure. And then yeah, pull up here every day, Monday to Thursday, 9:30 in the morning, because you're from SA. Should be the same time zone, and you can watch me trade live every day. But obviously, if you want to take it seriously, just get educated. So go read through that, Baby Pips. Just tell you what trading is about. I think we're gonna be on till like 11:30 today, guys. If I don't get a setup, I'm gonna call it. And then I'll have a live stream for the MFX members for New York for CPI. Do you trade GJ during the NY session, or do you look at NAS and US30? I trade these two pairs. It's the only pairs I trade. New York or London, because they both move in New York and London. Then we have students that trade US30. We have students that do different things, but for me personally, it's what I do: GJ and New York in New York session or London session. But yeah, I'm a London trader. It's only like now. Let's say today we don't get a setup in London, I'll then have exclusive session for MFX members in New York. And then Fridays is obviously MFX members only. So you guys gotta join. Level Up Your Trading, gotta join the group, my man. But yeah, that's what pairs work for me with volume. USD and NAS obviously work awesome in New York, but I just don't trade those two. I work a 9 to 5, but I'm off today. Normally I watch your videos after gym at night and start my education. For sure, my G. So yeah, why I do that also is just because, guys, I don't believe in replacing Forex. I don't believe in replacing a 9 to 5 with making Forex another 9 to 5, so being in front of the charts the whole time. I'm not about that life. I dedicate a session to my trading, and that's that. You got Discord? I can throw you invite if you got Discord. Nah, it's cool, bro. Invite to what? I'm inviting you to come join my mentorship group so I can help you make kroon. I don't need to join your Discord, brother. MFX members, are we good? You guys are quiet today, are we good? Full house. Riyadh, what? When else have I seen that name, Bader? I hope you're good, my man. And then MFX members, I've got some slots open for one-on-one sessions, so if you need a session, you can just drop me a Telegram or WhatsApp or whatever, and we'll book you down for the week. I have Thursday and Wednesday available. Forex for me will give me time and freedom, so I agree what you said now. For sure, for sure. Look, it obviously is it's a journey, it's a lengthy process in the beginning, but if you have the right mentor, you can obviously be guided easier. But yeah, it takes time to take that leap, but it's definitely worth it. 11 o'clock close is coming up, guys. I'm literally just waiting for close above here. If I don't get a close above, I won't take setup. And I also don't want to get on impulsively. So I don't just want to buy it because it's starting to rip. Even though it looks great, I don't want to get in too aggressive. I do see the setup though. Very tempted, but I'm gonna hang 10. Oh man, looks good. This thing's gonna rip. But because it's coming out to that liquidity zone, it's just gonna be safer for me to wait. And if I miss the position, so be it, guys. So be it. This is absolutely stunning. The break of those lows, this is me seeing price grab liquidity. If price can close above here, we're taking those buys. But I don't think it's going to wait for us. I think it's about to just rip without us. But according to my rules, I have to wait, man. Understood, yes, but if you got Discord, then that will make your stream better grow. Then in your own server in Discord, you can pop messages or something like that. Yeah, I've got that already. We just use Telegram. You've got all of that already, bro. I've got everything done already. I took longs 2177.49 with low risk. 2177.49. Damn, bro, you risky today. Mastery manifest with the with the risk. Damn, bro, in the consolidation. Nah, you risky. Risky for the bisky. I learned to be patient in trading, so I'm in no rush. Stomp my head too much through the years. I'll definitely join soon. For sure, brother. How long have you been trading for? Okay, I sub here. Were nice meeting you. Let I start by go study. Ha 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 ha. Forex, yeah, I come. Forex, yeah, come. Yeah, Forex. All the best, brother.
Remember late nights cruising and wasn't nothing to it. Licking up the shit, we about to make a movie. Pouring up a cup, we about to set the mood in the cup, rolling up some.
Fuck. This thing just jumped, bro. I wanted to get in on that flip. Come on. I missed it. Yesterday, that happened very fast. I wanted that flip there, guys. As you could have seen, we opened up and we came down first, right? So what I wanted was my entry to be there, targeting these highs as TP1, stop down here for 30. I wouldn't even need to risk it much, to be honest, and they will let it run. This is the entry I wanted, but damn, that happened fast. That happened really quick, boys. And for me, that was the entry. It's just too late for me to enter above that wick. It's too late. Damn it, I missed it. It's one of those, guys. Flying fish, I missed my entry. And I want you to see what I do now. I don't have FOMO by just jumping in because it's moving. If I miss my entry, unfortunately, I've missed the entry. But this is what I wanted to do. The wick down as the flips we get in. I thought I'd been the entry though. But I know I'll get in again. Oh, my order's done. But I will now wait for closure above, or price to trade above 21.79. Reason being why I won't enter if it comes back down is because it might break the low and sink. So this was that move. If I didn't get in the move, Hatties. That's the word. Hatties. Juice box. What's juice box? I wouldn't mind a juice box, but I can't have a juice box. Close to 3 years now, but you know how it goes. Joined all the wrong people, so I took a lot of steps back now and just being patient with myself. Yeah. Who you learn from, and I was actually speaking to Jordan about this yesterday. You can also then only go as far as that mentor. Because, I mean, you have to learn from somebody that is already where you want to be. You can't learn from somebody that's only coming up in Forex, or you think they can trade, or they think they can trade. You gotta, you know, like, I know exactly what I ask. If I want to go start a butcher now, I'm going to learn from Uncle Rob's, because he's killed that game already. So you got to learn from somebody that is where you want to be already. W discipline their mouths, yeah, for sure, but L for not taking the position, you know? It just happened so fast, guys. I was still speaking, I still wanted to get my terminal ready, and it just left me behind. Damn, bro. We would have had 10, but it is what it is. So now I just want you to pick up. I'm not just going to jump in because it's moving. I now wait for the setup to arise again. That was prime though. Did anybody get that though? Any of the MFX students get that flip? You see, boys, so you wait, you got it on my man MFX for the win. So you see how disciplined I am regarding waiting for the setup. Like down here, it's breaking lows. You think it's gonna sell? It's not selling, bro. Stick to your plan, stick to your strategy. It's beautiful after that. And that's why I'm here, bro. So for sure, you're welcome anytime, my man. Sam the man, well done on that as well. Charles with the G. My G. Well done. If you guys got in on that flip, you would have had your tempos ready. So you should be at break even on position already. Definitely at break even, because this is a point of liquidation as well. Liquidity. Liquidation. That's at 4-hour level as well. Look, we're in the range, so this range should come to current daily high. So once you take partials, I can recommend that you hold a runner. And for those that aren't in, let me speak for myself, Miles, because you're not in, you're going to be patient, you're going to wait for price to close above you. That's the only way I can get in now. Plan the trade, trade the plan, for sure. For sure, man, for sure. And honestly, what gave the trade away for me was price breaking those lows and then closing bullish. Because that to me is grabbing the liquidity at the lows. Then for price to close bullish, you wait for the tap back in, which it got, and as it then starts flipping, you grab your buys. Textbook shit. This is easy. Textbook, textbook, textbook. And that is, once again, a type 3 at its finest. We got a beautiful type 3 yesterday. Today, this was a beautiful type 3 setup as well. So, well done MFX Minutes for jumping onto that. Now we're pretty much at the next liquidity zone. I need price to close above and I can look for positions. It will be a type 4. Because that will then, is it? Okay, it's not going to flip. But, it'll, yeah, still be type 4. It's gotta be patient now. Because I mean, it could reject off this resistance also, so I just have to be patient and see it actually close above. I would like also a nearby 5-minute support. That would be great. That would really be great. But until that happens, I just can't get in, eh? Hope you guys are following what I'm doing so far. Okay. I am coming now, guys. Yeah, so guys, do you understand everything that's happening so far? My mindset, what I'm looking at? a retest and a nice. Can't see that because it's behind the heart. Just type something like a W so your message can go higher. I don't know how to remove that. I have hearts on my chat, so like sometimes the last word I can't see if it's the lowest thingy. I think it says old. Close. Close. Yeah. 2180. Greatest and the nice close 2180. I want just to get there. Tell me something, chat. Are you guys picking up the fan noise on the mic? Please let me know. Because I know that would be so irritating if I was watching someone and all he hears a fan. Nope, my fan making more noise. So you're a six-figure trader, so we all here will become six-figure traders. Law of attraction. I hope you guys will be further than me. Like there may be the benchmark that you have to pass. Oh, the fan on your laptop? Yo, that thing is clocking overtime. Yo, my MacBook used to do that. It's not even funny. Especially when I used to do Zoom with you guys. If I do trading view Zoom and I have another app open and I'm running the two screens, yo, that MacBook is only that's something I don't miss. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, I moved my tower, that's why the tower's out of the frame. I'm doing Zoom, YouTube trading, UFC trader. Your 9 to 5 all at once, yo. Why aren't you using your PC? Or is the PC only for Call of Duty? Hey, you can shoot people. Your laptop daytime, PC nighttime. Yo. Garage parked in low mileage, you say? Till your boss catches you. I think I must send his boss the link to this channel. Look, one of your employees is commenting here the whole time. Hey Vicky. See what he's doing? He's trying to leave you guys. Brother, look at gold. Touch the level, boop, they're all the way in the Middle East, it's okay. So if you guys heard the joke of you Habibi yesterday, here's Habibi here. This is our Habibi. This is Andrew Tate Habibi, boss. So at the moment, guys, I'm waiting for one thing only, and that's just to close above the level of 2179.4. If I don't get that, I'm more than likely not going to get a trade today, guys. The trade that I would have taken, I missed. I missed it, bro. It just happened so fast. My multitasking brain was like, brain fog. So yeah, all I want to see is a closure above, but yeah, until then I just can't grab a position, boys. The only position that I wanted is what actually played out. It's just that couldn't grab it. And if I don't get a position, it's fine. Not every day is a trade day according to your strategy. If you have that discipline, you've won. How's this rand doing? Because I think it's soon time for withdrawals, and this thing is not going the way I want it to go. Needs to go up. Who wanted? Someone wanted to fund an account, and I told him to wait. Who was that? So it's not good you waited. I didn't tell them, I advised them. Advised. I think it was Jordan. Jordan Zhao. Where's JPY? You take gold positions today. You and Darren.
Oh, I had sales this morning.
Over here, where? These shorts here.
Let me just check. Yeah, 2175, so 2176.
Very nice. Was that before or after the retest?
I'll just have to check specifically when was the time I took it, but it was around about that.
Yeah, but how much pips?
I got 20 pips.
Very nice, man. Very nice. Very nice, dude. So if this is going to close above you guys, this is awesome because this is then giving me more of support area. Now how large? Yeah, oh my gosh, this is gonna be great. And the nice thing is then I'm past this, so then the nearest area will then be yeah, and that's going to be about 20 pips away. Yeah, it's fine. I'm back. What did I miss? We did the wordle without you. But yeah, no, we had setups. My reaction time was slow, so I missed out on a 10 pip move. If you didn't buy a speeder years back, you could have been chilling in gas pay now with all your Bitcoin. Damn it, God funny. I think Bitcoin hit what, $70,000 yesterday. Again, all-time highs. I think it's mad. Ethereum? Just see this thing, bro. Oh. or even the Litecoin and ADA. Oh my days. Dr. Angelo. Okay, let's see. The 5 is pulled back, retesting a liquidity area, possibly to drive. We don't know that, so we have to wait. But we don't know, maybe you have some mining rigs in that PC box, bro? Nah, I don't. The crypto guys is what's his name here on thingy YouTube? I don't think he's commented, but you look for Jason, crypto guy, Dazzy94 crypto guy, Two Smoke Folks crypto guy. Those are the 3 crypto guys, yeah. So they definitely doing things. L is slow compared to NY. I disagree with that, my brother. Just because market works in cycles, so no session is actually slower than each other permanently. However, there might be temporary times when the session is slower because of market cycles, and that is how market works. So there's going to be times when New York has blitz moves and it's just moving. Then there's going to be times when London has blitz moves and it's just moving, and there's going to be times when Asian has blitz move and it's just moving. So that's why even when I have low volume within session, I don't transfer to the next session because there wasn't volume in my session, because the cycle can change. That's how markets work. Market works in cycles, and that's liquidity cycles. Sorry, not liquidity, volume cycles. So I have to disagree with you there, my brother. Cheyenne. I don't know how to say that. Just gonna say Shay. Ibrahim, Brother Miles, greetings, gents. Welcome, my man, welcome, or I don't know, but welcome. For sure, Sam. For sure. That's why I like, for me personally, don't let trading, how can I say? Don't let trading have to, that's the worst English, Miles. You want to make a routine around your life, not around trading, if that's the way I can put it. And that's a nice thing about trading. If I'm the type of person that is a night owl and I don't really have such lack of, I don't know, concentration in the mornings, then I wouldn't trade London. I would rather trade New York or Asian. So you make trading according, like, you make your routine around yourself, not trading, because there's 3 sessions. It's actually 5 sessions, but we sum them up into 3. So it's just better to find the pairs that work for you, as well as the sessions, and then trade that, because yeah, cycles will always happen. Okay, so your stream on my latest PC forgot to switch. Welcome, my G. Welcome. Hope Cape Town is treating you well. So yeah, I hope that answers your question, Sam the man. Then obviously, like, with that being said, you then get pairs that just have better volume for a certain pair. Like AUD NZD, that's gonna have better volume in Asia. US 30 is gonna have better volume in New York. Not to say it's not gonna move in the other sessions, but the volume is just better at that time. However, I found with gold and GJ, we can't have that discussion because it's pure cycle based. And then I get it a lot where they like, bro, you trade gold in London? I'm like, yeah, dude. I've been trading gold in London. It moves in London. Obviously, your moves can be more aggressive in New York, but the moves is beautiful in London. You got, you know. So yeah. Yes, indeed. Thanks. I appreciate you. Anytime, Aji. Anytime. So that's what's important with your routine. The session you trade, stick to that. The pairs you trade, stick to that. And stick to your rules of how many trades you take per day. So for me, purely London. That's all. Only time I'm doing New York is if I don't catch a move in London and my mental state is fine for New York, and also London was maybe dead. Like now, it's pretty dead. So I'll come back for New York, then I'll have a session. Other than that, I don't switch. And if I've got 10 pips in London, why would I even come back for New York? If I've hit my target in London, why would I come back to New York thinking I can make more money and then I can possibly... Because the thing is, people need to understand that it's not about making more money. When you open a position, you're exposing yourself to risk. So the less you expose yourself to risk, the better. So if you've hit your target, why are you still with the charts? What soek jy daar so man? Move back to PE, bro. CPT is crazy. Thought I'd hop on for... bro, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. While you're here, like, comment, subscribe. Danko. MFX chat. What about that, Darren? What about that, D? Nah, I'm not. Can't give them chat the whole time, you know what I mean? So we're starting to near the 12 o'clock mark. We might not get a trade today, guys, but it's totally fine. Sticking to your strategy and your discipline is the most important, right? So that we can still be here. Those are key factors you got to focus on is your account. It's not just about placing trades and winning, but the management aspect of that. Because you want longevity in your account, you want your account to grow and last, and you don't want to be just taking trades because you feel like it, or because price is moving up or down. If you had taken trades because price is moving up and down, you would have taken 2 trades. One would have seen its ass, the other one would have won, but still, you know what I mean? Then you would have been at break even for no reason. That's why just stick to your plan, man. Got a closure now in the next 30 seconds. Let's see what it actually does and where it closes, boys. It's a 15 and 30 close. It could be, if we reject this area again, it could be that we've created another ranger. Go. Do you trade with buy stops or only market executions? I use market execution and buy stops, depending on conditions of the market. Like yesterday, I didn't use any stops because I wanted it to see it visually break that floor and hold on that. If you were, yeah, you were yesterday, Sam. Quite sure you were. So yeah, I need to see certain things happen before I allow a stop order, and that then lines up with different types of executions. So that's something I'll also be discussing in depth for Friday's bootcamp. Okay, so indecision candle, so nothing at the moment, guys. So I'm gonna stay on stream till past, and if we can get a move by then, until 12, and if we can get a move by then, awesome. If not, I'll call it a session. But let's see what happens for the next 30 minutes if we can start pressing volume to these highs and breaking. One thing I don't use, Sam the Man, is limit orders. I used to, I don't anymore. That's fine when you're a swing trader, not when you're a day trader. So I can give you a scenario what could happen here, guys. If this is price grabbing liquidity, so we have resistance of this level, right? So look at this. On this lower time frame as well as my higher time frame, we have price making this microstructure to the downside. Okay, if we're gonna start closing above here and then trading below these levels, so breaking that floor, this I'll identify as a liquidity grab for price to drop down like that. That's when sales would be fine, because then I can identify that it came to grab liquidity but it couldn't continue, and now it's coming to break a 5-minute floor. We should then drop down to QP and further to current daily low from these areas. But is it worth my risk? Okay, it is actually 25 pips. So now I'm seeing another sort of play that could happen, very similar to yesterday, where we've grabbed liquidity, broke floors, and then got in. It's just the only thing I'm gonna mention is it's very choppy. This area has become very choppy, guys. So the more it stutters and becomes more choppy, the less I want to trade in the area, because how do I know it's not going to happen when I'm in the position? And you guys know by now, I'm a momentum trader, so I try to get in when the move's about to push. That's what I try to do. That's why I can be in the trade for such a short amount of time. Yesterday we were in our trade for I think 10 minutes. Let me just check that journal. Okay, yesterday's trade was 19 minutes. 19 minutes for 20 pips. But our TP1 was hit in a good couple of minutes. TP2 was the 20 pip mark, obviously. Yeah, so that's what I try to do, is get the move when the momentum comes, in opposed to me waiting in the position. Don't get me wrong, it can happen. We can sit for an hour or two even if we get caught in consolidation. It can happen, but majority of the time our moves happen like this, either to top loss or either to TP. But that's what I want. I would rather know if I win or lose sooner than later. I don't want to be holding a trade, and that trade obviously taking a toll on emotions, or whatever the case may be, just to find out at the end of the day I've lost the position. Rather tell me now. So anywhere between 5 to half an hour is what we typically in a trade for. But you're gonna get times when you sit in a position for like an hour and a half. You get those times. It's not the nicest, but, and I know it's also not a long time, but for me that's a day trader. I obviously want a quicker move, so I try to get the position when that drive is coming, you know. And that's what all our types of entries is based around. It's just for certain conditions you need a certain type of execution. I feel like for those, maybe using one sort of execution, no offense, or not trying to tickle your tummy, but you're a bit more limited. So we have one major way of looking at the market, but 4 different ways of actually planting an execution, which I think is phenomenal. Because then you know if it doesn't meet any of those requirements, then there's really nothing for you. Five in, got another 10 for 15 close. Yeah, let's see what she starts to do. In this case, boys, I have to wait for 15 close at least. 13 not so much, because I can use the play off of the candlestick anatomy. However, on a 15 it's a different story. 15 is consolidating quite heavily, where my candlestick anatomy on my 30 minute is still printing higher highs and higher lows. It was just this one, which is fine because I understand it was a grab of liquidity. However, if this 30 minute starts to break these highs after making a higher low within structure, I'll be comfortable in longing the position after the 15 has closed above, because the 15 is going to give me confirmation, the 30 minutes is going to give me the direction, and the 5 minutes is going to give me the area of support which is there, and I can use that as a point of management for my stop loss. So 30 pips will be there. Okay, that's the last straw. No? Yeah. If I don't get that, so if I don't get my 30 minutes starting to drive and I don't get my 15 minute closing outside, I'm not gonna take a position in London today, guys. I'll then leave it for when I jump on with the MFX members for New York. And also if I don't see a move, I just won't take it. You don't have to take a trade every day, guys. Because let me put it into perspective for everybody. Your mindset might be different because of your account size. And this is something which you'll only learn as you grow. Because you can't trade a large account if you haven't gotten the experience behind your name. Well, you can trade it, but I don't know how it's going to be on your emotions, my man. So, I will always say that the more you trade just indicates to me, and like the more you want to overtrade and all that stuff, is you're chasing a monetary value. You aren't really chasing percentage. So I know for people trying to pass a funded challenge it's different, but if you're trading a funded challenge already, or if you're trading live capital, you shouldn't really be chasing the monetary value at all. You shouldn't even be chasing high percentage returns, because all you have to do is then gear up your account to be a larger, because larger capital equals me having to trade less to see a larger return. You with me? Because 1% of $100,000 is $1,000 compared to that being 10% on 10k. Right? Yeah. So it's 10x. So how do you fix that solution? You build yourself, you gain more experience in the charts in the market, you build personal capital so you can obviously be affluent with the risk plans, and then the aim of the game is just to get larger capital. It's the easiest. That's the easiest, because now if you're trading 6 figures, shit boys, 3%, 4%, you lit, you styling. You know what I mean? You don't have to keep chasing the markets, which means that if I'm doing half a percent every trade, that means I need 4 trades a month. You with me? I hope that's making sense, because that's what a lot of people get caught up into, is just trying to trade the whole time. And like I said, boys, the more you trade, the more you expose yourself to risk. Volume. Can we get a 15 close above on the next 5-minute candle, which will be in alignment with this 15-minute? And then one thing I can already say, if I do take these longs above resistance, I do need to be aware that the way I can lose the trade will be because of this liquidity area on the left hand side, as you can see over here. Can you see that? Look how many times price has tapped into that and started to reject. So that is something I need to be aware of, and I'm fine with that. So let's say I spike to that level and start just coming back to break even after 8 pips. I'll close out to break even. So how I play this, I'm gonna have to be very witty about it. Need price to drive, and if I can get that close above in the next 4 minutes, we're good. Mark, are you ready for a whittle today? I don't know if I'm ready. Who won yesterday? Charles. Ah, Charles. I'm just checking if there's an alternative game we can play. I did look yesterday, I couldn't really find anything. Pictionary. What? Pictionary generator, what the fuck is that? Two minutes, it doesn't look like I'm gonna close above. But let's see. All we need is price to close around there, boys. Can she do it for us? Can she do it? GJ, no, not really. that's the 15 close there. And yeah guys, I think we have to wait till 12. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump onto Wordle now, and then at 12 I'll just have a look back to see if we have a setup, and then if we do, we'll obviously take it. If not, that's gonna be a no trade for me. So let's do the Wordle now, and then we wait the 15 minutes anyway, instead of just looking at the screen. You know, let's get Wordle going. I need price to close this, so right now I need the next 15 minute, which is essentially this 30 minute, to close above. I have to see it. If I don't see it, it's a no trade day for me. So I'm gonna wait on that, and in the meantime, let's play Wordle. Okay, so you guys ready? W's in the chat if you're ready for Wordle, and if you understand why I'm waiting. This is the biggest part of trading, is waiting. You're in the trade less than you are out the trade. One dude ready for Wordle? No ways. One dude. Let me fix chat. You guys are live. Oh, that is Wordle. Are you guys ready? Mark is just getting his dictionary quickly. Just while we wait. Okay. What's the first word? I'm gonna go with trade. Get those vowels out. Okay, so A and E is in the right place. Today might be easy. A and E is in the right place. Let's get some words going here. And what I'll do is I'll just set a price alert so you don't have to keep going back and forth. Okay. So price alert set over there on gold. We'll just wait for the ringtone. So A and E in the right place. Can we get some ideas going here? This Wordle's been knocking me even yesterday. Image maybe? IMAGE. No shit. Yo. Image. Telling me nobody knows this word, guys? Can't be tablet because the T's there. Weave. Weave. Okay, let's try it. Okay, there we go. Solid. So we just need to, what is that? Leave. I think it's leave. Leave. Leave, right? Let's go. No, it's not leave. Oh, weave, leave. What other word would you have that? I don't feel like it's a word that I've never heard before. So everything is in the right place besides the first letter. What can it be? We've lost Mark today. Do we? Bro, why can't I get this? Is heave a word? I actually just to just Google this. Is this a word? I think so. Yes, it is. Heave. I think that's it. I could be wrong, but I can be right. Heave. Learned a new word today. Heave. To lift something. Okay. Okay, we won Wordle. But Gold is not playing the game with us. It just doesn't want to give us a trade, eh? Nine minutes to closure. We need closure above. Otherwise, no trade for me today. Come on, man. Duh, 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 duh. No topic on this 15. That's also then the 30 no topic, right? No, there is a topic on 30, but no 15 topic. Okay. Still looks like it's just retesting for price to drive up, so let's just be patient and wait and see. It's more than likely gonna sit for CPI, boys. GJ type 2. I think it's just a bit too deep for me. Hello, would you say that Friday's news is what causing this? This coming Friday's news or past Friday's news? Neither would cause the range. There's a high possibility that we're stalling for CPI this afternoon. That's what I can comment on there. But NFP, nah. NFP, we had a move yesterday. We got 20 pips yesterday, so it's definitely not NFP. And I don't think there's Friday news, isn't it? News Friday? Nah. I personally feel like if we're gonna sit in this range, it's just because price is waiting for CPI. And that's price accumulation, so there should be a high volume for CPI. I don't know if anybody's going to be trading CPI, but just be careful. Yeah, NFP, yeah. Yeah, no, it's fine. It shouldn't be. It shouldn't be. But we are like at the beginning of the month where there is now lots of news and whatnot. But I'm really loving how March is starting out. The volume is nice. Because if you think about it, guys, we've moved. Yeah, we've moved a lot. So it's fine when we get these consolidation periods, because that's that's just price accumulation. What time is comms open, Desi? What time is comms open now at that shift? 2. Okay. MFX members, we'll be back at 2 o'clock, okay? So I'll share the Zoom link on Telegram and then we'll be back at 2 o'clock for New York session. Yeah, for sure, guys. I think this is gonna now sit until CPI. You 2.5 hours away from CPI, it's more than likely it's gonna sit. As soon as you said Wordle, your network went in drawdown. I'm sorry, bro. But I got it today. Heave. I'm the champion today. Heave. So when we needed you the most, your internet went down. Yeah, Wordle's done, my brother. Wordle's done, dude. We killed it. Wordle's done, my bro. Come back tomorrow, we got another Wordle. But I really wanna find something else. I'm gonna get something else. Seems like GJ Type 2s was a nice move. Rejection, close above, tap in and as breaks high, drive. Nearing 10 pip mark now. 0.5 away from 10 pips. That would have probably been 10. If gold breaks this 5-minute floor here, it's gonna short down to QP. But until it breaks that floor, we can't say it. The 5 floor is there. So if it breaks this level, it's gonna short down to QP. It's just, I don't think that's enough room for me. No, it's not. It's just not enough room. I can see the move, there's just not enough room. At that point in the next minute, you're gonna get a 15 engulfing, you'll identify this as a fake out. Not a fake out. A liquidity grab as price closes above, and then when it breaks the 5-minute floor, you can look for executions down to quarter pip, TP1, current daily low, TP2. $10 pips on GJ, well done, Uncle Robbie. Well done, well done, well done. On the type 2 longs. Well done, sir. Well done. guys, that's what I was speaking about now. You got your 15 engulfing. If it breaks this floor, price should short. However, guys, I'm not gonna tackle it. I think it's gonna be a no trade on stream for me today. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and call it this session. For MFX members, I'll see you guys at 2 o'clock for New York CPI. But YouTube, thank you so much for joining. MFX members, I'll see you guys at 2. I'll send the link to the private Telegram. But YouTube, thank you so much for joining. No trade taken, but you understand why. Yeah, have a blessed day further, and God bless. Cheers. Cheers, boys. I will send out